this is me, Ida, and my YouTube channel. Today, I wanna go to take a bath first because I wanna go campus for today. I feel better than yesterday, so I wanna go campus for meeting up with my classmate today. So, let's follow my TikTok, okay? Until finish. Yeah, don't forget to give me support thing again, and if you wanna to like this video or just comment. Okay, it's okay. Thank you guys. Look at this, just waking up. Yeah, I'm working at maybe 5 o'clock, and I'm just going prior subuh first, and now I want to take a bath. That's why I wear towel. This is me. I want to go to campus today. Yeah. Oh, sorry, because I just prepared. That's why it's so long. Yeah. Uh, Follow me until I go arrive at campus, guys. Okay. Here, guys. Yes, I wanna go today at 8 o'clock, and we have a meeting for today, so we can go campus. Oh my guys, look at this! I just wearing white and some gray here for my outfit. Meeting with organization. Yeah, we have meeting for organization today. Only for 2 minutes again. Yeah, so we need to more speak English here. Just for 2 minutes. Guys, yeah, I'm wearing these glasses again because I'm really uncomfortable. I'm really comfortable for use wear these glasses. Yeah, and protect my eyes for I'm riding motorcycle when I going anywhere from campus or anywhere. So guys, what about you? Are you have a collections? Are you have a collection dresses too, like me, or don't? Guys, today I'm so really scared for practice drama again, because yes, eh, we close, we really close. Yes, we really close about this drama for now. Yes, we have a drama on May. Yeah, we really close. Guys, before this video is going over, okay, say I want to say thank you for you to watch my video for today. Bye bye. I want to go to campus first. Bye 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 bye. before going to campus, let's make this video done. Yeah, just need for speak English here because we really need this for every single day. Yeah, we really prepare about this event for now. I'm so overwhelmed. Sometimes I'm as a child, it's like not want to
Sebenarnya si so
going overwhelmed. I still miss my younger story, and now I'm as a older sister is really overwhelmed for today. For now, wow, this is more and more making me feel like hard to um doing that every time. Wow, my friend Grace for uh for my birth month, yeah. Yeah, she's wrong, yeah, because she's saying November, yeah. I have a one friend from South America. Yes, she said she's so different to learn there from university, so really different. Yeah, she or she tell me she have different knowledge. No, I mean university. She have pre-university. Pre-university is like sorry trial. Yeah, start from for she's going to school, and when you 20 years old, you can pre-university. It's like just pray. I don't know I'm not getting much this she's explained to me, but wow, why is really slowly? I think Indonesia is more slowly than other countries. Why is like this? Because this have pre-university, and this is Indonesia. Here does not have pre-university, so I think so more slowly in here in Indonesia. Yeah, I know that. And that's why I like this. More different, and yeah, he's eh, she's have economic economic major. Yeah, she choose this for knowledge. Wow, so very interesting. And she said she wanted to move to this country because they said they not have opportunities. Yeah, I don't know why. She really want to go Europe. Europe have so many opportunities. It's not like South America. South America is more different. That's why she want go move. Yeah, this is my conversation last night about education. about system education in other countries, so that's why I just know this now from she. Still really explain to me what is this. And yeah, I think from from sorry, from time, or no, it is more different than Indonesia. So shut up, please shut up. And we uh switch others, we switch story each other for this knowing about each other. Yeah, and she said, why you don't choose Europe for free to join university? And I said, no, I'm not want to go Europe. Yeah, because I'm not interested about Europe, just little. Yeah, sometimes I just need to go Switzerland. I just I have older bro there. That's why. And sometimes I really need to learn Germany language. How I feel. Why I want learn Germany language, because he's one me to join Germany for work one day or someday. Yeah. I think I'm more interesting about this because I wanna go out from Indonesia. Yeah, I think I have more experience when I'm going to other country. It's not stuck on Indonesia. That's why I wanted accepted this suggestion. Okay, guys. I'm so really scared to being late, guys, because this is 8 o'clock and already 9 o'clock because we have a meeting. Maybe wanna go and make a video. Okay, let's go to growing campus, guys, because it's more late here. The time is going to 9 o'clock here. I'm not more go to campus Saturday, so just waiting for me. Wanna go in campus? Yeah. So sorry. Always follow me until I'm going campus, guys. Yes, maybe later we can talk about this, my friend from South America again. So thank you, guys. See, yeah, just little knowledge about this country. Yeah, not more knowing about this country. So just yeah, more learn, and yeah, I really love to searching about other country. That's why I'm really like this. For more question about this, my friend, I'm going to make a note. Yeah,